Hi all. Today I will tell you about how to cook apple pie. Let's get started quickly. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup unsalted butter, chilled and cubed, a quarter cup vegetable shortening, chilled and cut into pieces, 4 to 6 tablespoons ice water, 6 medium apples, peeled, cored, and sliced, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. For the pie crust. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon salt. Add chilled butter and shortening to the flour mixture. Use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut the fats into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water to the mixture, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together and forms a ball. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts, wrap each in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. For the filling, preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix together sliced apples, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Roll out one of the chilled pie crusts into a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Transfer to a 9-inch pie dish. Fill the pie crust with the apple mixture, mounting the apples in the center. Dot the top of the apples with 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Roll out the second pie crust into a 12-inch circle. Cut into strips and lay over the top of the apples in a lattice pattern. Place the pie on a baking sheet and bake for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Allow to cool to room temperature before serving. Enjoy! That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for your support. See you later.